How to add the ChatGPT to your Mac. So it's pretty simple. Open your web browser and search for ChatGPT for Mac and simply open this chatgpt.com result, open it, and we want to scroll down and find the for desktop, and here click on download for Mac OS. It's available only for macOS 14 or plus with Apple Silicon M1 or better. So simply click on download for Mac, download it, click on save, wait until it's downloaded. It will take a few seconds. Now you can check your downloads and grab the ChatGPT to your applications. Open your applications and here launch the ChatGPT here, so you can click it, double click it, and you can open it and sign up to your account. This is how you can get the ChatGPT app to your MacBook. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and see you next time.